Hey guys, welcome back to Food with Chetna, and I am going back to cook the book today because it's been a few weeks and I haven't done a cook the book, and this caught my eye on my shelf. And this is Mandalay, and it's from recipes and tales from a Burmese kitchen. I don't think I've ever cooked Burmese food before, so I'm super excited, and there's so much I want to try from this book. But I'm going to start with a vegetarian dish so that lots more of you can try it at home. And I'm going to be cooking aubergine pan-sticker curry. That sounds amazing. So this is the book Mandalay by Mimi I, and I'm super excited to be cooking from this. It is obviously full of gorgeous recipes. And I have chosen a vegetarian one for you guys, and it's this aubergine curry, which we are going to be trying right now. Take 2 aubergines and cut them into thick slices. Just 2 onions, and I'm going to finely chop these. So I've got a nice big bowl. You need a nice big bowl, and I'm just putting some chopped tomato. So I'm taking 1 whole tin of chopped tomato, and do this adding the chopped up onions. Gonna chop 2 finger chillies, that goes in as well. 1 tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter, and if you haven't got peanut butter, you can just chop up some peanuts and add to this. And then a good handful of fresh coriander leaves goes into. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon paprika. Just going to crumble up 1 vegetable stock cube. That's all I have at home. You could add half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of MSG if you like. And the last thing to go into this gorgeous lovely mixture is 150 ml of groundnut oil. You can also use any other non-flavor oil, so I would imagine sunflower should be good. Just a good mix, and now goes in all the chopped up aubergine slices. Does smell good, and that's why you need a really large bowl, because it's quite a lot of quantity. Spices are nice and thick as well. So I've got a really nice hot pan, and I'm going to just put all of this into the pan. This now needs to cook on really high heat for 10 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on and with a lid on. So I'm going to come back to this in 10 minutes. So that is properly bubbling away. It's been exactly 10 minutes, and now I'm going to open this and check it out what's happening. Right, so wow. I have to say, it smells awesome, absolutely amazing. So I'm supposed to then stir it. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to turn the pieces around so that some other pieces can char up and get a lovely color. So that's medium heat, cover for 15 minutes. So it's been another 15 minutes, and I've been cooking it on medium heat. Now I'm going to uncover, stir, and the final bit is to let it cook on medium to low heat for an hour. That's very interesting because I'm not even sure whether the aubergines will survive, but apparently I have to cook it till the curry sticks to the pan, and that's why it's called sticky curry. Makes sense to me. So I'm going to stir it and cover again and cook for 1 hour on low heat. Oh my god, look at that. The final stir. Oh dear, I can't wait for this to be ready now. Very gently, otherwise I'll break all the aubergine pieces. This is intense, man. This is really intense. Oh gosh. Choice. And leave this alone. Turn the heat down to low. And I have got it to on lowest possible for 1 hour. Okay, I've just got something wrong now. I'm not supposed to put the lid on the last 1 hour. So the first 3 cooking times have been with the lid, but the last hour is actually without the lid. Oopsie. Thank God I reread it in time. Because I was thinking it's going to get really soggy. And actually it doesn't say to put the lid back on for the last 1 hour. So it's still on really low heat, but the lid is off. So it will then dry all the liquid out and make it stick and make it crispy and also delicious. So all the liquid has dried up and my kitchen is smelling intensely gorgeous. That looks so amazing. And I think I'm going to plate it up. God, I have to say, I've been so excited about this dish, and it's just, it is right. It is slightly stuck to the bottom of the pan. And I guess the name of aubergine sticky curry is quite appropriate. Okay, enough talking. Enough. I'm going in. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. That has to be one of the best aubergine things I've ever had. It's just melt in your mouth. There is so much flavor from the chard. You can feel the smokiness. Oh, the spices are perfect. I can get a very light hint of the peanut butter. Oh god, this is good. I really do hope you're going to give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. This, guys, is awesome. So good. Oh my god, this is so good. I know I finished the video and I put my jumper on because it's getting too cold, but I keep coming back to this plate of aubergine. And oh my god, guys, this is one of the best aubergine things I've ever eaten in my life. And that's, I don't say that very easily. This is just melt in your mouth, most delicious thing ever. Please try it. Oh, every mouthful, is as exciting as the first one. It's just so good. I am going now. Bye for now.